The Web Wonks model is the backbone of our company, and Web Wonks DNA is a universal constant. Staff are trained to deliver a quality service to clients, bar none. It's the Web Wonks model that ensures this happens. In our early days, this was a step-by-step PDF process with a checklist we printed out and ticked off with RareLink. As we grew, so too did our methods of delivering our services. These days, we harness the incredible power of the Microsoft Power Platform. Starting with SharePoint for file sharing, we then use the Dataverse to power clients' project plans, as well as a vast range of internal outputs. We use Power Apps to provide our various teams with instant details about your projects. All notes, comments, activity reports are all live and available to share with you at any time. We've allocated over 100,000 unique tasks using Azure Web Jobs and Office 365. This means we can tell you exactly who will work on your project, when, to the hour, and what task will be completed. We use Power BI for resource reporting to ensure we never miss tasks and allow us to respond to urgent work on the day, ensuring we always have your back. We use a unique project email to record all communications so nothing is lost in translation. Finally, we double down on all of this by harnessing OpenAI to run the ruler over all of our Microsoft tech stack, meaning we're future-proofed, but more importantly, we're in the moment for your everyday needs. Talk to us if productivity is your thing. webwonks.com